Now this is a 1930 Ford Model A Phaeton. It's a beautiful car, and that placard in the front is going to tell us all. As you can see, there were only 1,100 of these produced, and the factory was a Ford factory in Ontario, Canada. Beautiful color scheme here. Notice the protectors over the tops of the doors, so you can put your elbow across that and not worry about marring the paint. Beautiful leather upholstery, and as the sign said, when the car wins prestigious awards, you know it is correct. You'll notice that the dash has the gauges in the central area. Windshield wiper motor there above the windshield. Wire wheels, and there is the trunk before they literally became part of the body of the car. And there you see the place where the irons of the top rested when the top was down. And putting the top up or down was a laborious feat, there's no question about it. Way before the days of the power top. And of course we have two side mount tires. They were very important in the day because flats were very common. The roads were in not great shape usually, so always paid to have a spare, and two if possible. You notice how the side view mirror is attached. And there is the four-cylinder engine. A very stylish car for its age.